Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to get Bill Clinton album challenge picture on Instagram. You just need to go to billclintonswag.com, edit the picture by adding cover photos, and you will be able to download it afterwards. Just follow these steps. Firstly, go to billclintonswag.com, click on search bar at the top, and search for the albums that you would like to add to this picture. You can add up to 4 albums. Once you are done adding the albums, click on Generate Swag. Tap and hold on the picture and click on Download Image. This picture should download to your smartphone afterwards. Now just open up Instagram app, go to your stories, and you will be able to post this Bill Clinton album challenge picture right there. Done. I hope that this guide was helpful and you were able to get the Bill Clinton album challenge picture on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.